my beautiful and amazing family. How are you all doing? Thank you very much for always supporting me. I really do appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel, this is Agatha Progress channel on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. As you can see in this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel, all opinion is highly needed in the comment section. And if you love what I am doing in this channel, why don't you click on that button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that we become one big family. All right, my wonderful family, this video we're about to watch, I don't know how you felt about this video, but I do hope you got some lesson from it. All right, my wonderful people, let's go straight into the video. Now, watch it. Hey, wonders shall never end. It has happened and it has finished, and we have seen it before. Now it's not so new to us anymore. I have a video here that I want us to watch together. It's just a quick response to the same Fulani leaders who said they need Nnamdi Kanu, or they need somebody to bring Nnamdi Kanu, that they are going to give the person 1 million. There is a lot of response to that particular issue. And mind you, as we all know, or as we all cleared, the British government, or the America, what they are calling, they are not ready for this their crap. So a video is here for you to understand why Nnamdi Kanu can never be deported. All right, let's watch it together.
Hi guys. Northern Consensus Forum placed a bounty on Nnamdi Kanu. They were asking US government and UK government to repatriate Nnamdi Kanu. Now, I do believe that these guys are ignorant. They stay in their villages and they talk nonsense. For their information, Nnamdi Kanu is a UK, a British citizen. So they cannot repatriate their own citizen. He's one of them. He is a UK son. Let me put it that way. You are placing a bounty of 100 million on someone that is defending his homeland from Fulani herdsmen invasion. You Northerners, you are paying ransom to bandits. You Northerners are paying ransom to bandits. When Fulani herdsmen were killing Nigerians in Middle Belt, in Southwest Nigeria, in Southeast Nigeria, in South Nigeria, you did not place bounty on them. This is why that country, Nigeria, is the way it is now. There is no justice and equity. Buhari came to power. He felt, he began to run Nigeria as his private business by placing his tribesmen in high positions. He did not run an inclusive government. In Senate lines, when people agitate, what a responsible government is supposed to do is call them. My brothers, we are Africans. We are from the same country. What's your views? What's your problem? Then we dialogue it. Look for a way forward. Look at Sunday Igboho. Now he's coming up, agitating for Yoruba nation. You turn the blind eye to him or his agitation. You pretend as nothing is going on till it becomes too late. A responsible government will call members of Ipob, members of Oduduwa Republic, my brothers, how do we move this country forward? Because these guys are part and parcel of that country. But you don't want to do it because of what you are benefiting from that Nigeria. You feel that Nigeria belongs to you. Now let me tell you one thing. This Northern Consensus Forum, who are they? You see how you just take powers into your hand. You are no security agencies or security agents, agency. Who are you? Who are you? You just come up and place a bounty on somebody. In normal, in a Senate line, they will get you guys arrested because it's not. You are not in the position to do that. You are not any security agency. You are not the police. You are not DSS. You are nobody. And you come out boldly to place a bounty on someone. You know you threaten the guy. That's a threat to his life. If something happens to him, in Senate lands he will be held responsible. Because, let me tell you something. Why do you think Southerners now want to opt out of Nigeria? Because nobody wants to share a country with you. You see how arrogant you came online to talk about people. So, you see how arrogant you guys are. You assume that you own Nigeria. When you come out, you give yourself any name you like, and you give others. When you are not in the position, you are not in government, you feel Nigeria belongs to you, so you give others, an individual giving others for them to repatriate Nnamdi Kanu to them. The Fulani herdsmen have been killing Nigerians. You did not place a bounty on them. Who are you guys fooling? Fulani herdsmen have been killing people. They have killed thousands of people. You did not place bounty on them. Bandits, terrorists, they will kidnap people. You will sit with them, negotiate with them, and pay ransom. You did not place bounty on them. You did not arrest them, put them in jail. Fulani herdsmen were and are still killing people in southern Nigeria. You guys did not see it as an emergency, that no human should lose his life because of this, whatever, Fulani herdsmen farmers clash. No. The killing going on in Nigeria, the killings going on in Nigeria is enough for the government to call all regions together and seek for a way.
Hey, that is all about this video. How do you see this video? Hope you agreed with what our beloved brother have just said. In fact, I don't know what these people they are thinking. I don't know what is in their upstairs. But anyways, time shall tell. Thank you very much for always tuning in. If you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you then waiting for? Please subscribe and join the family. See you when